Grouping in Tableau allows us to transform granular data into insightful summaries. To make groupings, first, identify the dimension plotted along the z-axis you want to organize. This often includes categories, time periods, or geographic regions. Right-click on the z-axis headers to open the menu. You should find an option typically labeled Create Group or similar. The wording may vary depending on the data type selected, but it will facilitate the grouping process. Open the grouping window. Select the data points or values you want to merge by clicking, dragging, or using other selection methods compatible with the Tableau data interface. Once the groupings are configured, confirm your choices by clicking the Group button to apply them. You can rename created groups within this menu. By double-clicking generated name, click OK. You've successfully configured groupings for your z-axis. The chart refreshes, demonstrating the new aggregated information. This can unveil patterns and trends more easily. Embrace the power of z-axis grouping in Tableau. This simplifies complex data analysis, making the discovery of insights much more straightforward. This empowers every user to gain rich insights into diverse data.